Hello, I'm Dini, your coach, helping you delivering a day-to-day provoking questions to become a better you. You learn, you grow, start from today. In this channel, I will read out loud the conversation between me and AI, a list of curated questions dedicated for those who are interested in organizational development, HR, and neuroscience. AI is a scholarly partner for you to have through discussions as long as you already read, understand, and practice the subjects. This will be conducted in English, not in Bahasa. I hope you could learn something from each chapter or each question I have and benefit from it. A delightful conversation with scholarly AI. Chapter 3: 7 Habits for Highly Effective People and Neuroscience. Part 3. Questions. 6. You mentioned an author, David Rock, Quiet Leadership. I didn't know he wrote another book called The Neuroscience of Leadership. Can you correlate 7 Habits of Highly Effective People with David Rock's book, please? 7. AI asks, would you like more information on specific correlations or neuroscience concepts, especially Habit 1, 4, and 7? 8. AI asks, would you like more information on neuroscience concepts or practical applications? 9. AI asks, would you like specific examples or case studies? 6. You mentioned an author, David Rock, Quiet Leadership. I didn't know he wrote another book called The Neuroscience of Leadership. Can you correlate 7 Habits of Highly Effective People with David Rock's book, please? Here's a correlation between Stephen Covey's 7 Habits and David Rock's The Neuroscience of Leadership. Habit 1. Be proactive. 1. Primary brain region, prefrontal cortex. 2. Neuroscience concept, self-regulation, Rock's model. Status, certainty, autonomy, relatedness, fairness. 3. Leadership application. Proactive leaders manage their emotions, setting clear goals, Rock's direction principle. Habit 2. Begin with the end in mind. 1. Primary brain region, medial prefrontal cortex. 2. Neuroscience concept, goal setting, mental simulation, Rock's vision principle. 3. Leadership application, effective leaders and vision outcomes, creating mental model, Rock's mental maps. Habit 3. Put first things first. 1. Primary brain region, dorsolateral prefrontal cortex. 2. Neuroscience concept, prioritization, working memory, Rock's focus principle. 3. Leadership application, leaders prioritize tasks, managing distractions, Rock distractions management. Habit 4. Think win-win. 1. Primary brain region, ventral tegmental area, nucleus accumbens. 2. Neuroscience concept, social reward networks, dopamine release, Rock reward principle. 3. Leadership application, collaborative leaders foster win-win solutions, releasing dopamine. Habit 5. Seek first to understand. 1. Primary brain region, inferior frontal gyrus, anterior cingulate cortex. 2. Neuroscience concept, empathy, mirror neurons, Rock's empathy principle. 3. Leadership application, effective leaders listen actively, understanding perspectives. Habit 6. Synergize. 1. Primary brain region, medial prefrontal cortex, superior temporal sulcus. 2. Neuroscience concept, social cognition, cooperation, Rock's social bonding principle. 3. Leadership application, leaders foster synergy, building trust and cooperation. Habit 7. Sharpen the soul. 1. Primary brain region, default mode network. 2. Neuroscience concept, mindfulness, self-awareness, Rock's reflection principle. 3. Leadership application, leaders prioritize self-care, reflecting on experiences. Key takeaways. 1. Both Covey and Rock emphasize self-awareness and emotional regulation. 2. Effective leaders leverage neuroscience principle to drive collaboration and motivation. 3. Rock's craft model and Covey's habit intersect, highlighting autonomy, relatedness, and fairness. 7. AI ask, would you like more information on specific correlations or neuroscience concepts, especially habit 1, 4, and 7? Here's an in-depth correlation between Stephen Covey's habit 1, 4, and 7 and David Rock's neuroscience principles. Habit 1. Be proactive. 1. Primary brain region, prefrontal cortex or PFC. 2. Neuroscience concept, self-regulation, executive function or Rock's craft model. 3. Leadership application, proactive leaders manage emotions, setting clear goals, Rock's direction principle. 4. Neurotransmitters, dopamine or motivation, serotonin or regulation. 5. Rock's principles, autonomy and self-awareness. Habit 4. Think win-win. 1. Primary brain region, ventral tegmental area or VTA, nucleus accumbens. 2. Neuroscience concept, social reward networks, dopamine release, Rock's reward principle. 3. Leadership application, collaborative leaders foster win-win situations, releasing dopamine. 4. Neurotransmitters, dopamine or pleasure, oxytocin or trust. 5. Rock's principle, relatedness, fairness. Habit 7. Sharpen the soul. 1. Primary brain region, default mode network or DMN. 2. Neuroscience concept, mindfulness, self-awareness or Rock's reflection principle. 3. Leadership application, leaders prioritize self-care, reflecting on experiences. 4. Neurotransmitters, GABA, relaxation, serotonin, or regulation. 5. Rock's principles, self-awareness, autonomy. Intersections with David Rock's SCARF model. 1. Status, habits 1, proactive, and 4, win-win. Enhance status through achievement. 2. Certainty, habit 1, proactive, provide clarity, reducing uncertainty. 3. Autonomy, habits 1, proactive, and 7, self-care, promote independence. 4. Relatedness, habit 4, win-win, fosters collaboration and connection. 5. Fairness, habit 4, win-win, ensures mutual benefit. Here's additional information on neuroscience concepts and practical application for habit 1, 4, and 7. Practical applications. 1. Mindfulness practices. Regular mindfulness exercises enhance self-awareness. Or habit 7. Reducing stress and improving focus. 2. Goal setting. Clarify objectives. Habit 1. Breaking down large goals into smaller, achievable tasks. 3. Collaborative leadership. Foster win-win situations. Or habit 4. Through active listening and empathy. 4. Emotional regulation. Manage emotions. Or habit 1. By recognizing triggers and taking breaks. 5. Reflection. Regularly assess progress. Or habit 7. Adjusting strategies as needed. Neuroscience concepts. 1. Neuroplasticity. Habits 1 and 7. Promote neural adaptability. 2. Dopamine release. Habit 1 and 4. Stimulate motivation and pleasure. 3. Default mode network. Habit 7. Engages self-reflection and mindfulness. 4. Mirror neurons. Habit 4. Fosters empathy and social understanding. 5. Prefrontal cortex. Habits 1 and 7. Enhance executive function and decision making. Case studies and examples. 1. Google's 20% time. Habit 1. Autonomy-driven innovation. 2. Amazon's customer obsession. Habit 4. Collaborative customer centricity. 3. Microsoft's growth mindset, or habit 7. Continuous learning and self-improvement. Practical applications. 1. Mindfulness practices. Enhance self-awareness, or habit 7. 2. Goal setting. Clarify objectives, or habit 1. 3. Collaborative leadership. Foster win-win situation, or habit 4. 4. Emotional regulation. Manage emotions, or habit 1. 5. Reflection. Regularly assess progress, or habit 7. A. AI Ask. Would you like more information on neuroscience concepts or practical application? Neuroscience concept. 1. Neuroplasticity. Habits 1, 4, and 7. Rewire brain connections. 2. Dopamine release. Habit 1 and 4. Stimulate motivation. 3. Default mode network. Habit 7. Engages self-reflection. 4. Mirror neurons. Habit 4. Fosters empathy. 5. Prefrontal cortex. Habits 1 and 7. Enhance executive function. Practical applications. 1. Mindfulness exercises. 10 to 15 minutes daily. Habit 7. 2. Goal setting templates. Clarify objectives. Habit 1. 3. Active listening. Paraphrase and ask open-ended questions. Habit 4. 4. Emotional regulation strategies. Deep breathing, self-awareness, or habit 1. 5. Reflection journals. Record progress, insights. Habit 7. Leadership strategies. 1. Autonomy. Empower team members, or habit 1. 2. Collaborative goal setting. Align teams. Habit 4. 3. Feedback. Regular, constructive. Habit 5. 4. Coaching. Develop team members. Habit 7. 5. Self-awareness. Recognize biases and emotion. Habit 1. 9. AI Ask. Would you like specific example or case studies? Here are case studies and example illustrating habit 1, 4, and 7. Habit 1. Be proactive. 1. Google's 20% time. Employees dedicate 20% of work hours to personal projects, fostering autonomy and innovation. 2. Amazon's ownership culture. Employees take ownership of projects, demonstrating proactive responsibility. 3. Dell's employee empowerment. Dell encourages employees to take initiative, providing training and resources. Habit 4. Think win-win. 1. Microsoft's collaborative leadership. Teams work together to achieve common goals, fostering win-win situations. 2. Coca-Cola's partnership strategy. Coca-Cola partners with suppliers, distributors, and customers to create mutually beneficial relationships. 3. IBM's open source collaboration. IBM collaborates with external developers, sharing resources and expertise. Habit 7. Sharpen the saw. 1. Microsoft growth mindset. Employee prioritize continuous learning, attending workshops and conferences. 2. Google's mental health support. Google provides mental health resources, promoting employee well-being. 3. Patagonia's environmental internships. Employees participate in environmental internships, developing new skills. Neuroscience-inspired initiatives. 1. Mindfulness programs. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and IBM offer mindfulness training. 2. Neurofeedback training. Companies like Dell and Coca-Cola use neurofeedback for leadership development. 3. Emotional intelligence workshops. Companies like Amazon and IBM provide emotional intelligence training. Here are additional examples and industry-specific applications. Industry examples. 1. Healthcare. Cleveland Clinic's Empathy Project trains healthcare professionals in emotional intelligence. Habit 4. 2. Finance. Goldman Sachs Leadership Development Program focuses on self-awareness and emotional regulation. Habit 1 and 7. 3. Technology Salesforce Trailhead platform provides continuous learning opportunities. Habit 7. 4. Manufacturing General Electric's Leadership Development Program emphasizes proactive problem solving. Habit 1. 5. Education Harvard University's Neuroscience of Leadership course explores neuroscience principles. Company-specific initiatives. 1. Google's 20% time encourages autonomy and innovation, or Habit 1. 2. Microsoft's growth mindset fosters continuous learning, or Habit 7. 3. Amazon's leadership principles emphasizes proactive ownership, or Habit 1. 4. IBM's open source collaboration promotes win-win partnerships. Habit 4. 5. Patagonia's environmental internships develops employees' environmental awareness, or Habit 7. Neuroscience-inspired tools. 1. Neurofeedback training enhances self-awareness and emotional regulation. 2. Mindfulness apps Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer. 3. Emotional intelligence assessments, or AQI, NSC, EIT. 4. Leadership development platforms, LinkedIn Learning and Coursera.